Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Config Fusion. I am your friend Vikas. Today I am thrilled to have you all here for our second video. Before we dive into today's tutorial on installation of Windows Server 2022 on ESXi server as a virtual machine, I want to give a big thank to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for the amazing response to my last video, the unboxing of Insta360 X4 camera. Your support means a lot to me. I want I also want to address some feedback that I received on my last video. A special thanks to one of my viewer for pointing out the audio issue. I sincerely apologize for the low voice at the last video. I have taken your advice and moving forward I will be using an external mic to ensure better audio quality for all of you. Now, without further delay, let's get started with tutorial on setting up Windows Server 2022 in an ESXi environment. Let's jump right in. So to start with this Windows Server 2022 installation, what you need the Windows Server 2022 ISO file that is easily available on Microsoft website for evaluation purpose. So you can go there, you can download. So here's the link to download the ISO file. So when you click there, here you need to put your name, email ID, some company detail, and the country and company site. Then you can download them directly. So today I have already downloaded that. So let me first log into my ESXi server. When you log in here, so you have to upload somewhere in data store anywhere that where you can upload. With the data browser you can upload the, so you can upload here. After uploading, you hit here on virtual machine, create and register virtual machine. So when you get that, create new virtual machine. So before creating that, you have to remember that you are creating this virtual machine for testing purpose only. So you don't need that high resource, because server generally runs required very high resources to handle the request. So let me test this. Now select the compatibility, add highest compatibility you have with your ESXi machine. Now it is installed on 7.0, that's I'm going with highest one. Select the guest OS as Windows, and here is the Windows Server 22 64-bit. Now click on next button, select any of the storage you have. Now select next. Let me go with the 4 vCPU and 8 GB RAM. So you can go with 2 vCPU and 4 GB RAM also. So whatever you want, if you want to put more load on the server, you have to calculate and put the memory and the CPU as per requirement. Now I have the resources, so I am putting this resource here to quickly install this. So after putting the CPU, memory, hard disk, you have to select the network adapter. So which adapter it will go connect, and select the data store ISO file. So here is the ISO I have. Now inside the ISO I have already downloaded Windows Server 2022 evaluation. So let me go with this and next. When you click the finish button, it will create the VM. Okay, so this is the VM. When you hit power on button, it will start the process and it will ask you to press the key. When you press the key, it will boot from the CD. Now, after booting with the CD, it will let you to this screen quickly to select the language and format the keyboard input method. So I'm going with default one. So after going this, I'm putting on install now. So when you hit the install now, it it will let you to start setting up and starting. So we have these are the option available. So if you go with the Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation, so this one will not give you desktop experience. You have to do everything with the CLI. And if you go with this desktop experience, you will get the desktop. You can do everything with the GUI. Again, what is the difference of this and this? So this is the standard evaluation. You can create maximum of 2 VM with this free of cost. But if you go with the data center edition, you can create multiple VM as per your license. Now I'm going to the standard evaluation desktop experience. So next, when click on next, it will show you the license agreement need to be accepted. After accepting this, click next. Upgrade, if you have already installed something in this disk, it will upgrade from other version of server to this version, but we are doing the fresh installation, so we will go with the custom one. When you click on custom, it will show you the hard disk that we have created. We have allocated 100 GB of hard disk, so it is showing 100 GB of hard disk here. Now if you need to create a partition, you can click here new, and you can easily assign the whatever resources you have, and when you apply the button, it will create new partition here. But now I am going with the whole disk because I don't need partition inside, so it will assign total 100 GB to the C drive. So clicking on next button. After next clicking, it will copy all the server operating system file inside the installation and getting file ready for the installation. So after reaching to 100%, it will go to the installing feature, then installing update. After finishing up, it will reboot the server and again take you to the next screen. So let's wait to the for the reboot after completing this all process. So it's completed. Now it's installing feature also completed. Now it is installing update. It is quickly completed. After this all, it's rebooted. So it is getting ready for the first time view of this Windows server. One more reboot is required. After reboot, it will take you to the username password set option. So let me set my password. you can set as per your requirement. So the first time it will not ask you for any complex password or anything. Let's finalize your setting. So it is completed now. Have to send the key as a control and delete. After sending the key as a control and delete, you can log in with the newly set password. So it will take some more time to show you the desktop. See, your desktop is ready now, and the first view of Windows Server installation. Windows Server is here after installation. Now you can set everything one by one. So if let's say if you want to configure the IP, you can go into run and type ncpa.cpl. It will take you to the network part here, properties, and click here TCP IPv4. So it is automatically taking IP address now. If you want to configure a new IP address, you have to use following IP address as a static IP address, and you can put the static DNS detail also. So here it already taken the one IP address. Let me show you the see. It's already taken the IP address 243. The DNS server, everything is configured here now with that DSC. Because I have not configured anything as a static. If I want to configure in static IP address, I can configure. That's it, the installation part. We will see next time. Then some role I will configure in the server and I will show you that how to configure that role one by one. Okay. Next video I will see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up for more video like this. Don't forget to subscribe to Config Fusion and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Your support help me make more content for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.